Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus and pita bread. First, let's gather our hummus ingredients. You'll need 1 can of chickpeas, a 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 clove of garlic. For seasoning, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a pinch of salt. If you're using dried chickpeas, remember to soak them overnight for the best, creamiest results. This simple list sets us up for a delicious batch. Now, let's blend our hummus to perfection. Start by combining your prepared chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and cumin in a food processor. Process these ingredients until they form a smooth paste. For an extra creamy texture, slowly drizzle in 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice water while the processor is running. Once blended, taste your hummus and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt or a touch more lemon juice to suit your preference. Next, we'll prepare the dough for our homemade pita bread. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy. Then, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Now, let it rise in a warm place. Finally, let's bake our pita bread and serve our delicious hummus. Once your dough has risen, divide it into 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a 6-inch circle. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with a baking stone or inverted baking sheet inside. Bake each pita for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it puffs up beautifully and turns a light golden brown. Serve the warm pita with your freshly made hummus. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.